The 263 FS, part of our Family Sportsman series, is perfect for active families. Let's take a closer look at the features of this model. Before we start on the inside, I'd like to point out a couple of features on the 263 FS Key West that make it unique. First, it has an innovative stepped hull. Our step not only increases speed, but also dramatically improves on-plane times and limits bow rise on acceleration. The step on the 263 FS hull acts much like a fulcrum, helping the hull to rotate over and come down quickly, so the captain never loses sight of the horizon. It also enhances visibility and fuel economy overall. For the 2024 year model, we have added the innovative Seakeeper Ride System tabs. This is an AI-driven set of tabs that react automatically, almost instantly, to steady the boat to minimize pitching and bouncing, even in rougher water conditions. As in all Key West boats, the 263 FS is built with upright and level flotation, the highest standard in the industry. This flotation level is not required by USCG regulations and not found in most of the competition in this size. Now, let's start the walkthrough, moving bow to stern. In the bow, we have the windlass installed in a molded and recessed box dedicated to the task. As part of the deck, there are no joints to leak to the bilge. The downward slope of the assembly allows both the anchor to roll out effortlessly when deployed and water to flow out easily as well. Moving back, we have the forward seating area. With the wraparound backrests, 2 adults can sit facing the front, or with the full-length bolsters doubling as backrests, several passengers can sit facing each other. Lift the base of these seats to find sizable storage areas. Under the floor, we have a huge insulated and macerated fish box. With the popular bow filler option, you can have a complete lounge deck up front or a casting deck for fishing days. And as we look around the front deck, we'll find convenient drink holders and even rod holders. In fact, the 263 FS comes with 16 cup holders spread throughout the boat and an incredible 22 rod holders. Moving out of the bow just a bit, we find the front console seat as well as a handy storage area underneath it. You'll also notice the recessed handrail running down both sides, perfect to hold onto while moving about the boat. On the port side of the boat, we get to the console entry door. The underside of the spacious console can be used for an optional built-in toilet with pump out or a portable toilet. It can also be left open for a huge storage compartment. Engine batteries are stowed on a convenient shelf out of the way behind the curtain, and all components are easy to access. Behind the helm, there's generous space provided for flush mount instrumentation of your choice. One big screen, dual screens, engine gauges. You pick the options you want. The standard steering includes a stainless steel wheel and hydraulic tilt helm. Power assist is a standard feature, or you can opt for electric steer or joystick depending on your engine choice. A stereo with 8 speakers and an amplifier is also standard. The 263 FS features folding bolster helm seats, which fold down for comfortable seating or can be kept up for stand-up operation. You can also customize with independent captain's chairs. You even have an option for a tall windshield if you'd like. The hardtop and convenience center leaning post are both standard equipment on the 263 FS. The hardtop itself is generously oversized and comes with the rear legs for added stability and strength. The convenience center features the top-mounted freshwater sink, cutting board, and slide-out cooler. It also comes with the standard raw water washdown and freshwater washdown, both located on the port side gunnel. One of the nicest features on all of our Family Sportsman series boats is the recessed rod storage racks built into the sidewall. These are molded as part of the deck, making them a durable and permanent part of the boat rather than an add-on, and they are large enough to accommodate most fishing rods. Their recessed design allows for tow clearance, making it safe to reach over the side to assist a swimmer or land a fish. Moving on to the side entry door. We designed this door specifically to help get people on board safely. Stepping on a typical floating dock into a boat with a deep tuna door opening is difficult, as the floor of the boat is so far below the dock. With our design, the door folds in, leaving the opening almost exactly the same level as most docks, and the bottom of the door becomes the landing. The patented folding ladder that stows under the door opening makes getting in and out of the water easy. The ladder is firmly secured to the sidewall of the boat, where it is always available, quick to deploy, and can't fall off. And last but not least, we'll review the features in the rear cockpit area. The most prominent feature in the back end is the full-width bench seat. With an extended base and tall ergonomically angled backrest, it is wide enough to comfortably accommodate up to 4 average adults. Remove the center base cushion of the bench seat to find a removable storage compartment liner. This opens up the bilge access, where you can get to all of the pumps and fittings. Finally, the twin live wells in the stern are multifunctional and generous in size. If not used as a live well, either one can hold a 30-gallon trash bag. And if you need both those wells for bait, the weight is balanced by having 2 matching wells. We've made it bow to stern, hitting the high points in the 263 FS, but there are so many more details about this model that will make for a great day on the water. Visit a Key West Boats dealer near you to see one in person.